Hey everybody, it's Joel, your photo troll. Up the river here. Just wanted to show you some of these pictures I had taken. So this is just the rainy conditions. Nice and cloudy though. And you can tell I cranked my ISO up to 1250th. I'm sorry, at 1250. So I'm at an 800th of a second at f7.1 at 1250th. And you can tell when I zoom in, lovely, right? Just perfect. Oh, dang it. So this is nice overcast light. Okay. Just everything looks great. Oh, and I was going to show you here when I hit the little minus sign. But this shows you the consistency of shots here, right? But you can sort of tell how they go from very bright, almost blown out at the beginning because it was raining so hard and the sun was so bright. But I can go to one of these and touch it and bring it, it brings it up just like that, and then touch it again, I'm back to that little. But this is how you can really tell how consistent they are, because it's like there's no obviously super bright ones, there's no super dark ones. Some are brighter than others, but this is just extreme conditions. And then you notice when I zoom in on them, the faces are just perfect. Okay, but that's all I use these little pictures for, is just to see if there's some that are obviously darker. They just show up right away. You can get right to them. So anyway, these are the ones that are just in the extreme backlight, raining hard. And let me see what my ISO is at 640 f10 at a 1250th of a second. So my ISO is pretty low here because it's so bright, right? And they're cruising along in the super bright. And okay, and then here we change to where it's not quite as bright and the light's a lot less severe. My ISO is at 1250th. I'm at 1/800th of a second at f7.1. And you can tell that my histogram's not as far off to the right as those extremely backlit ones. So this lighting here is just fantastic. I mean, everybody just looks like they're in the studio, right? Couldn't be better. So it just goes to show you that even during one rainy run, I go from extreme backlight to pretty deep overcast. And all you have to do is crank your ISO up and leave everything else about the same. All right, this is Joel, your photo troll. I'll see you down the river. Oh, come here, you. There it is.